President Trump threatening to put tariffs on everything that China sends over here to America. A couple of $100 billion worth of product will be tariffed, if I can put it like that. Joining us now is Michael Pillsbury. He's the author of The 100-Year Marathon. Welcome back, Michael. Good to see you again. Last time you were with us, you were saying that President Trump is taking a hard line with China because he can. He's still taking a hard line with China, going right up at him. You still think he's doing the right thing?
Yes, I support the president's moves, but what I've been surprised about, Stuart, is how China will just simply not negotiate. There's been no offers. Their press, their television programs are kind of ignoring all this. We've had some delegations here recently. They say China wants to wait till after the midterms before it makes any offers. There's even been some jokes. I mean, in this morning's Chinese newspaper, it says they've set up an internet court that's had 40,000 cases already in the last 6 months. So you can supposedly file a technology complaint or a intellectual property violation complaint online now and wait for the judge to reply to you. I think this is just a kind of a joke, but they're not taking seriously President Trump's demands.
But the failure to negotiate, as you put it, is surely the result of China's not wanting to lose face. If you give in to President Trump at this stage,
yes,
President Xi does not look good, and he doesn't want that to be the view that Chinese people take of him and his presidency.
Yes, I think that's right. But they also have been debating among themselves in Beijing. They don't want to make too small a concession and really antagonize the president, but they don't want to make a major concession because they're so wary of him as the master negotiator that they're afraid a concession will just cause the president to ask for even more in another round.
Let me get this right, Michael. You're saying that they're discussing whether China blinks and makes a concession. But it's just a question of how big a blink they take. In other words, they're going to blink, just how big and when. Is that where you're coming from?
Yes, but those are pretty big questions. I mean, it could be 1 year trade war before there's any blink. I know some of the optimists in Washington are hoping this could be resolved in the next 2 or 3 months. But I'm getting more pessimistic myself in light of this really harsh Chinese attitude that they simply will not negotiate.
But their economy is slowing. Their markets are still way, way down. Can they afford to let this drag on for a year?
No, they can't, but that's our view. In their view, especially in the last couple of days, they've been highlighting how much their trade is up in the last 6 months. They're trying to focus on the positive. Their trade with the European Union is especially improving. So they remain optimistic. Whether this is face or whistling past the graveyard, I don't know. But I'm getting more pessimistic myself about a near-term deal. We just can't deal with this kind of obstinate Chinese refusal to make any serious offer. In fact, Stuart, they won't even recognize there's a problem. They say there's perfect reciprocity now. They say there's been no technology theft at all, and it's America's fault if the deficit is too great because you Americans, they tell us, Stuart, don't save enough. So we're not getting anywhere so far.
Well, looks like we're heading head-to-head clash as of right now. Michael, thanks for joining us. We will see you again soon. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Stuart.